Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Axiom trades. And today I will show you between 5 minutes, maybe quicker, how to use Axiom Pro right here. So the first thing that we are going to do right here, or what we're going to watch, is select right here DEX Screener. And then right now you will see right here a lot of positions or nice places that we can buy right here. So when we have money standing on our account and we select right here buy, we can immediately buy ourselves right here a position. Then right now the first thing that you need to know that we can go to the top, trending, search, DEX Screener, so you can decide right here which one you want to use. And we also have here a 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours and 24 hours. And then right here after this, we can click right here on filters, and at filters you can decide which one you want to find. So let's say we want to search for a mayhem, bags or soar, and then we can fill in right here some keywords, then you can search for it. Then right here, if you go down, you will find right here a nice place where you can fill in right here the minimum age, top 10% holders, insider holding or some bundlers right here. Now you have a lot of search information that you can fill in right here. And then once you did that, you can select right here on apply all. And then he will search right here for the settings that you created. Then right here, if you go to preset and we click here on preset 1, you will find right here preset 1, 2 and 3, where you can create yourselves a nice preset. So you can select right here if you want to do buy settings or sell settings. Select right here the slippage or the priority or the tribe right here for fees. Then you can select right here auto fee if you want to do that. And then right now, if you click right here on continue, he will save it right there for your preset. And then right here, if we go down right here in the bottom, you will see right here the preset option. And this is a preset option that you will see always when you're looking right here on the DEX Screener. If you go to the right, you see right here your active wallets. We can select right here the wallets that we want to use. We can also select right here unselect all, but let's do right now this one. You see right here how much is standing on that account, and that is not much. Then you have right here your settings, and then you can decide right here your buy variants. Right here some transition delay mode, and if you want to do that, click on and then do done. So decide for yourself what you want to do. Then if you go to the right, you will find right here your wallet, where you can add yourselves a wallet right here. Fill in your wallet address, the name, select the group, and then you will find your wallet back right here. You can also import right here your wallet information or export it. If you go to trade, you will find right here all the trades. And if you close this and we go here to more to the right, you will find right here the social media like social for X. And then you need to trade 5 Solana, and then you unlock right here the Twitter option. So a lot of meme coins are hyping up, and things are happening right here on X. So this is also nice to know. Then you can use it right here on your screen. And then right here you also see pulse, and then you will find right here some nice pulses. And if you want to buy it, you can buy it right here for the soul. But right now I don't have any soul standing on this account, but this is a nice place for pulses. Then you will find right here your P&L, so you can find right here what your P&L is. And then if you go to the right, you will find right here the price of Bitcoin, price of Ethereum, and the price in Solana. Then if you go more to the right, you see right here at global, you can decide right here which region you want to select for the best MS. So select what you want to do. Now, I prefer for myself EU, let's do this one. And now my connection right here is one of the best. And then right here, you will find here your notification settings. So you can decide right here what your notification settings needs to be. So select right here top center, top right, or whatever you like. And you can disable it right here. Then click on done, and then you change your notification settings. And then right here, we go here to the top, and then at discover, you will see exactly this screen. If you go to pulse, you see exactly what we had a few seconds, minutes ago. Here are the pulses. So if you want to buy something right here, click then on pulse. Trackers, where you will find everything from your wallet. So what you did and the things that you buy. So you can find it right here, live trades and monitor too. And then if you go right here to perpetuals, you will find right here the place where you can trade perpetuals. I also created right there a tutorial for how to do that. So please check out that video that I created. Then we go right here to yield, and you see right here, earn passive income, and then you can enable yield right here. We have also a vision where you will find visions of people. So this is also very funny to check. Your portfolio right here where you see your balance, your realized P&L. And to be honest, for me, it's not much because you see everything is standing on 0. But this is the place where you can find everything around your wallets or your portfolio. And then right here at rewards, you can create yourselves a referral link, and you can edit the referral right here and share the referral by clicking right there and then throw that to your YouTube page. I did that for this video too. So if you click on that link and create a account with that link, you help me out, and yeah, that would be very nice. So for now, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Axiom Pro, please comment that below. Then from now, have a wonderful day and ciao.